Service play, para number 11. Garcia, number 11 again. Service. Service error. Number 13, set to number 18, Pinalo. Good play. Over, number 9, see the ball, number 13, set to number 12. Jackson, what a play. Service. Receive. Good play. Number 0, number 1, drop ball, number 18, number 13, set to number 12, and Benjamin. Okay, yung mga manonood po dyan sa isip-isip daw po, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Okay, isip-isip naman daw po sa gilid, mga manonood dyan. Salamat po. Service. Number 12, number 18, Pinalo. Number 12, number 1. Inside, mga kaibigan. Service. Number 13, set to number 18, drop down. Napawag yung mga ready rin. Yung ball pa rin. Ayun na. Over. Number 18 pa rin. Number 13, set to number 4, drop down. PLC na drop down. Number 12, service. Receive. Number 1 to number 10 over. Number 13, set to number 7. Receive number 13, sir. Receiver! Service play! Para kay number 13. Isa lang ang mga naging Vipers. Service. Receive! Receive! Hindi pa pasigaw. Jersey number 18. Sorry. Receive. Sorry. Receive. Okay, number 13. Set to number 9, Pinalo. Inside, mga kaibigan. Jersey number 18 again. Service. Service. Error. Score natin 8-5, tatlong alamangan ng Vipers. Service. Receive, parang number 9, number 13, set to number 7. Scoring ka pa doon. Yan. may tawag na ang ating referee. Service. We'll see. Number 1. Oh, yun na! Mismo! Para sa kampe. O kalahati. Service. We'll see. Black ball, good ball, number 13 set. To number 11, pinalo. Inside mga kaibigan. Ang ganda ng chemistry ng Vipers. Substitution mga kaibigan. Jersey number 12, number 1 out. Sorry. Para number 9. Service error. Number 10, service. Receive, good. Violation. Historian. Jersey number 7, service. 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 Receive. No. Over. Yun lang. Oh, yun lang. Puso lang. Puso. Service. Good ball, si Tanang rating ng 14 set. To number 11, pinalo. Yun lang. Si number 14, service. Outside, masyadong palakas. Receive. Number 12. Number 0. Pinalo, big ball. Number 13, set. To number 18, drop ball. Shoot! Pinalo para na. Number 13. Number 2, pinalo. Inside. Wala connection. Ang tibo talaga ng chemistry ng Team Vipers. Service. Services. Sampu ang kalamangan ng Vipers. Isa na lang, ito ang pupisuyin ng Panthers. Sulit-sulit ano. Copy na siya mga kaibigan. Number 016, number 13 out. Receive. Number 14 over. Number 7 receive the ball. Number 13 good ball. Number 9 over. Number 12 set. To number 08. Pinalo yung dami sa atong napurba. Service. Receive. Number 12. Pinalo. Number 12. 11 po. Hinahabol yung Panthers. Malaki. Service. Receive. Black ball, blue ball, yun lang, may tawag. Attachment po, ang tawag po, kung po niya natatanong, alam mo po yan. Service. Yes. Inside, mga kaibigan. Lobo na kalamangan ng Vipers. Malaon, tusoy. Service. Receive the ball. Number 12. Ilang siro, pinalo yun lang. Palabog lagi. 1-9. Sorry. Receive. Number 12 set. To number 13, Pinalo. Move ball number 11, number 13. Set to number 18. Yun lang. Last na. Service. Good ball. Pinalo. Yeah. Set to number 12. Okay, player of the game po natin, jersey number 7, Lagrosas.